y'all, what's up? It's your girl Trisha. Duh, who else? So obviously, duh, we're back with another video or whatever. I don't know what that was, but excuse me, it's probably because I see my arms in the camera. But listen, whatever. Come here. Come closer. So boom, I got a video for y'all because let me tell y'all how you can legit make one band in 3 days. Because I didn't know I was gonna do it, but you know, and I'm not talking about sales, because you guys know, you know, I do have a business. But hold on. First of all, if you are new to this channel, hey girl, hey, subscribe. Let me know where you tuning in from, because I'm trying to see what it is with you. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, you already know the vibes. Hold on. Yep, it's a train. So yeah, remember when I told y'all in my last video about this new venture that I started, right? So let me tell you, I launched it on August 12th. It is now August 29th. I literally had my very first 1K in maybe 3 days. Like, I literally made $1,000 in 2 days. And I'm about to show you how I did it. So, you know that little course, the little ebook that I showed you guys in the last video? I'm sorry, I'm looking around because I'm literally trying to find it. I can't find it at the moment, but I'm going to link a picture right here. Yes, that Just Start course, baby. So it's literally on my website for sale right now. Go get it, go check it out, because clearly it's bomb. But like, one of the products that I don't have to package, ship, I don't have to pay for shipping, I don't have to have inventory, I don't have to pay for production, I don't have to contact the manufacturers, nothing, nobody. It literally cost me $0 and 0 cents. Well, no courses count, promise. It literally cost me nothing except for the knowledge in my brain and the love that I have in my heart for y'all. But girl, it literally cost me nothing. Like, I sat down because it was something that was on my mind, boom, and then I sat down and I watched the video of how someone else did it, but they paid for the template or whatever. But I was like, nah, I know I could just do this on my own, because as an entrepreneur, you know, or as a business owner, you know, in the beginning, every aspect of your business, you're doing it yourself, especially when you don't have the money to hire someone else to do it. I think I'm gonna move a little bit closer to y'all because baby. So yeah, so you know that you are the brand ambassador, you are the business owner, you are the shipping department, you are the customer service department, you are. So boom. When I watched a couple of videos, I was like, wait a minute, I know I could do this myself. Like, because I've been doing things like this. I'm kind of feeling this hair. If you are too, Divine Beauty. But anyway, back to this 1K in 2 days. I was like, no, I've been doing this the whole time. So I know I could do this without, you know. So I'm thinking I have to purchase a template, which the one that I liked was almost $200. So I'm like, oh. It's real cute, but I know I could do it my damn self. To be honest, I kind of took it as a sign for me not to do it. So I found every excuse, talk myself out of, you know, self-doubt, self-sabotaging. Yeah, I did that in the beginning. I was like, nah, I'm not finna do it, because I ain't trying to pay nothing else for it, because I have all my other products that I have in production and rotation, and boom, they're doing pretty well. So let's not even bother, right? But I just kept seeing these things pop up. Ebooks. Everybody and their mama doing the ebook, a course, a ebook, a course, a course, a ebook, a ebook, a course. So I'm like, wait a minute now, hold on, because I know this is, well, it's not free money because the person who's putting out the material has to put in the hours of study or research, whatever, to gain the knowledge first to put out, and then they have to be creative to make y'all want to read it. So, you know, whatever. So I know it's not free per se. So I was like, no, let me do it. And girl, I did it. I literally sat down 30 minutes to look on Canva. Because I do pay for Canva though. The premium, that's pennies compared to what I made. You know, I was like, ooh. Canva, you use literally everything for. Need a tutorial or, you know, a little help with using Canva, let me know in the comment section and I'll hook you up, do a little video on that too. But anyway, back to this 2K a day. Ooh, speaking it, claiming it, but 1K in 2 days, looking all through Canva, looking through all their templates, and boom, I found one that I like. But of course, you know, I had to add my little magic on it or whatever. So I kind of edited the templates that they had and then created my own, like, second page, third page, fourth page, put the information in there, boom. And in 30 minutes, girl, 30 minutes, I had a whole ebook for y'all. It was just that easy. 30 minutes and I had a whole product. Just look for something, one that I love doing, questions that I normally answer, and things that I normally usually say to encourage someone else who's having a difficult or challenging time. It's literally 5 steps. I put it in there, boom, boom, boom. And actually my daughter helped me to reword it so that even a teenager can understand it. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, my kids do use the journal for themselves. So, you know, 2 birds with 1 stone. Anyway, here is a screenshot of my dashboard for my business so you can see for yourself as proof. Period, right? And to even upload it onto my Wix website was fairly easy too. I just created it on Canva, uploaded it to my website because it has the option to upload digital products or physical products. So obviously that was a digital product. We just uploaded, and then it was like, was it a file or audio or video? I don't know. It was 3 options up there. Well, whatever. I'll take a picture and show you what they say up there. So obviously this was a document, and yeah, it took maybe like 5 seconds to upload. So now every time you go onto my website and purchase the Just Start course for yourself, because you just ready to start, you tired of being in a recession, you tired of having the same results over and over and over and over, and everything you trying is not working, you always meeting obstacles, you're confused, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start, you don't know how to, or you just ain't motivated. Like, it happens to all of us. We've all been there. So this course is literally gonna help you. I know. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. And plus, I'm very proud of it. So, because I know it's going to help you. I literally had somebody, I ain't gonna say no names. So I had somebody read the course, right? And maybe like a week or so later, we're having a regular conversation like we always do. And this person literally had the nerve to recite to me what they got out of my book and go and say, oh, I don't know where I heard it from. Oh, I heard somewhere that, huh? What you saying? Huh? And you know me, I'm so not crazy or like, Lord, right? So when the person said this to me, I was like, for real? Wow, that is a good idea. But the whole time, like, in my spirit, I'm like, this sounds very familiar. You've heard this before. But physically, I'm just like, yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Wow. I'm going to start doing that. And when I said I'm going to start doing that, immediately I felt stupid. Because I'm just like, wait, what? And then I thought about it, and I'm like, bruh, that was in your book. You wrote that down for the people. That was a tip that you gave to the people. And how are they going to recite back to you your own tip? Now, see, I would have said, usually I would have said to the person, told you so. Or, damn, you never give nobody credit. But the new me, why am I fuzzy? Focus on me. Okay. Right? So the new me was like, just let it go. Just let it go. Just let it go. It's okay. Be proud of yourself. Because at least you gave information that somebody found useful. So, why is somebody calling me?
Hi, this is an exclusive announcement from Four Seasons Hotels. Your telephone number has been
leaked, obviously. But yeah, so I was just like, yeah, shout out to you, because you just gave somebody some valuable information. And the reason why I say it's valuable, because they kept it on their brain. Obviously, they thought about it. And they felt proud enough about the information that they had, or confident enough about the information that they had, to share it with somebody. The person was me, and I'm the creator of the... But whatever, you get it. It doesn't even matter, because kudos to me. So, literally, if you guys want to make quick, easy, I'm telling you, easy money. Listen, this could even be a side hustle, you know? And now, you know, you can actually use a website called BookBoat to design your low content books. So that's also something that I'm gonna be digging into. Of course, I also dropped a planner, but it's a digital planner. But with BookBoat, you actually can design the planner. They partner with Amazon, so you know you can sell them on Amazon. Amazon prints it out. Stay tuned, because it's just gonna get bigger and better. So I am gonna be using BookBoat for a little while, researching and playing around with the website. Soon I will be using BookBoat to design the planner, so that you guys can actually have a digital copy that you can purchase from Amazon. So yeah, that's kind of it. I just kind of wanted to share that with y'all, because I was just so blown away, so excited, so like, because this is the first time that I've ever made $1,000 in 2 days that I didn't have to ship out products with. I'm gonna reinvest it, but it's not like I had to reinvest it right back, because this is a product that is completely digital, literally just created from my creativity and my knowledge. Amazing. So right now you can go on the website, the link in the bio, and you know, go to the digital product tabs, and it will take you directly to the courses. So right now they're not on sale, but you can get your copy for a very low price. But eventually that price is gonna go up a little bit. Not that much, but it is gonna go up a little bit, because I'm gonna add a few more things to it, because this one did so well. So stay tuned for that. But hurry on over to the website to get yours for the low. And also, when you purchase, you get the planner for an even lower price. Period. You get a code to get yours for a huge discount. But listen, don't worry about it. Just hurry up on over to the website before the prices go up, because I really want you guys to just start living the life of your dreams. I guess this is it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay? Yes. And we are also on the road to 500 subscribers. Really, the goal is 1K. But listen, we just started now, so I'm going to say 500 subscribers. So please get the word out. Please like, comment, and subscribe, so this way I know who's watching. And you know, just by subscribing, you know, that just make me feel good. You know, it's free for you, but it just make me feel good. It make me feel like I could just keep coming back and coming back and coming back and coming back and coming back. But I love you guys, and until next time. Wait, what do I always say? Hold on. We made it through this video like we made it through everything else. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.